So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. So the stylist confirms how short she wants to go. Wow, so it looks like she went even shorter with this shoulder length bob style. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some unforgettable hairstyle ideas. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hair options, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Gorgeous bob with the bangs, followed by another long to short. So she looks like she has some long mid-back length hair. Oh, the stylist is actually cutting layers for this one. Very nice. Now this is a great haircut option if you do want to change up your hair, but you don't want to go too short. Very nicely done. And then we have someone who did decide to get a bob. Nice curtain bangs to frame out the face and a beautiful tousled shape. And then we have someone with long blonde hair. He decided to switch it up with this ash gray ombre color. Wow, gorgeous shaggy layered haircut for the next look. I love that hair color. It's like a really pretty strawberry blonde. And then we move on to someone who does have mid-length hair. Looks like she wants some curtain bangs. Gorgeous layers, beautiful shape. Very nice. And once again, this is a great hair trend to try out if you're looking to add some texture and shape to your hair without doing anything too drastic. Alright, next up we have this amazing hair color transformation. So she went with the copper color and blonde mini piece highlight trend. This is such a pretty hair color and style. And she also did a few layers with this as well. Beautiful. Next up, we have someone with blonde hair just past their shoulders. And she decides to switch things up as a brunette and with this bob. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of the hairstyle ideas within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.